But what?
Straight line baga ano.
Sanibonani, welcome back to enye video. Thank you so much for tuning in to Umnkosi Nophile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming and thank you very much ngakhohlwa ke mangaba ka subscribe, please do so. Subscribe and like the video, share the video as well as watching ama ads ke bafowethu. I want to talk about udaba ke lolo olusematheni kumanje olwepoyisa, that is the Metro Cop oshonile bafowethu. So uthe mayishonile ke ubhuti kwa sekuvela ukuthi ke ubule unkosikazi wakhe in fact umthengele inkabi ukuthi imbulale. After that she pretended like akazi lutho into kanjalo, kanti uyazi ukuthi uthenga inkabi ithe mayisibanjiwe ke yavesane yaveza ukuthi hayibo mina phela ngibhadalwe ngumama laphana ukuthi angenze lento ngoba phela obesebanjiwe ubhuti unkabi. Kwase kuvela ukuthi hawu usise khala kangaka nasesifeni nje laphana bafethu uyazi ukuthi indoda yakhe ibulewe yini. Khuluma ngale engiyibonile ku trend. I think the guy is a Metro Cop guy and then usisi kuthiwa uMadlamini, I think so. So yeah man, you guys, abo mama sometimes siyazenza izinto bafethu, angifuna ukungasho. Yazi abo mama siyazenza izinto. So uthenga inkabi ukuthi azibulala umyeni wakho and after that kusesifeni nguwe lo uyakhala usetrasini nje uyascreama kanti uyazi ukuthi wenzeni. Like honestly speaking, and futhi umuntu wazi ukuthi kwenzekeni abantu mabeshoni, they usually cry a lot. Labo ke abasuke benesandla besazi. In most cases, angisho ukuthi in every case, but in most cases umuntu osuke esazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni uyalazi iqiniso nje ukuthi lo muntu eshonile nje nguye lo muntu enizombona ekhala kakhulu kudlula yonke umuntu. Hey, the way I saw another video where she was screaming like hayibo, I'm like sisi manje umeseboshwa ke bafethu ukuthi inkabi siveze ukuthi ithengwe nguye. So I'm like, what was that scream about? What was that scream about? Guiltiness. Hayi bafethu ubingelele imantshi ke unkosikazi osola ngokubulala ke iphoyisa. Na uvele enkantolo emantshi ke eSprings owesifazana obhekene necala lokuthengela umyeni wakhe oyiphoyisa lika masipala wasekuruleni inkabi ngesonto eledlule. Ake mbone nje istory sibhalwe nguNokunkululeko Nhlapho. Hayi cha ngeke usibongile Prudence Dlamini oneminyaka engu43 ubudala uboshwe ke ngolesihlanu esemakhandleleni kusanda kufika isidumbu somyeni wakhe ngolesihlanu ntambama wavela asho amaphoyisa atheleka ke bamdopa ke mntaka baphela sebene information sebesazi uhleli nje laphana nje. Hayi kodwa uyambona on those pictures ukuthi akakhali nje ukuthi uyambona ubusy, all smiles on that picture. Angazi ukuthi leso sithombe sathathani, but for me she was just all smiles. I'm like see ngiyazenza izinto bomama. Hayi cha ngeke bafethu. So usibongile Prudence Dlamini ukuthi uneminyaka u43 uwoshwe ke ngolesihlanu lapha esemakhandleleni kusanda kufika isidumbu somyeni wakhe. Lona wesifazana udayiswe inkabi ke inkabi esesezikindini ke ikhomba yena njengomvusi wenyamazana. Inkabi ogama layo ke ngonhliziyo zabantu mangwenyana. Why will we name someone uthi inhliziyo zabantu kodwa Jesu Christ? Inhliziyo zabantu. Okay, umangwenyana ke angazi magwenyama noma umangwenyana. I think ubhalwe mangwenyana. Una 34 ke utshela amaphoyisa ukuthi uyaqashwa ke uDlamini ukuthi abulala umyeni wakhe uBanele Sikhosana odutshule wafake ngomhla ka7 kwephezulu ke ngo7 ekseni sesitolo sakhe elokishini la kwaThema. ekuruleni. Uma Ngwenyana, I think into abayibhalile, Mangwenyana waboshwa ke ngomhla ka-10 kwalandela ke uMadlamini ngosuku lwezithandani ngeValentine's ke mdakababa. Icala lakhe liye lahlethiselwa umhla ka-21 wephezulu lapho kulindeleke ukuthi afake ke isicelo sebheyili. Bafethu, kanti niyenzelani lento yokubulala amadoda nje bafethu? Kanti engathi ngizwile nje ngathi bebesanda kushada. Like what is the problem then? So lukhona udaba ke laphana balubhalile ngizolanda ngesilungu ke laphana ka-Daily Sun bebesakhuluma ke ngaye uBoot Boy sankosi yami. Guys, like honestly mangibuka iy'thombe, uConstable Banele Sikhosana faced a tragic fate earlier this month. uSikhosana obena 33 and an Ekurhuleni Metro Police officer was tragically shot and killed on the 7th of February. The fatal attack was carried out by suspects believed to be hired hitmen. The situation took a dramatic turn when his wife was arrested on Friday, the 14th of February, amidst preparations for his funeral. Police reported that a hitman was arrested earlier this week at Tema Hostel and confessed to collaborating with the officer's wife. The woman and the two hitmen will appear in the Springs Magistrate Court on Monday, the 17th of February. uSikhosana was shot dead while offloading stock from his car to his spaza shop, dying instantly at the scene. Initially, some residents of KwaThema speculated that his killing was related to the recent murders of other spaza shop owners in the area who had taken over businesses previously owned by foreign nationals. His funeral was held at Faith Mission Church in KwaThema on Saturday. Colleagues, officials from the Ekurhuleni municipality, friends and community members came in their numbers to bid farewell to the slain cop. The church hall was filled as they paid their last respects. Ekurhuleni Community Safety MMC Sizakele Masuku condemned the killing of Metro cops and expressed dissatisfaction that arrests were made before funeral. She emphasized that criminals will be hunted relentlessly. Njengoba ke esebanjiwe ke unkosikazi wakhe kwathiwa ke inkabi zithi hayibo sithunywe ngumama nje endlini. So bafethu impi yonke lento eyenzakalayo ekubulala abantu hayi ngeke. For ini is my question, what do you want from this poor man? Ushadiwe unkosikazi wakhe and everything else. Now you are hiring hitmen from it. Mhlawumbe kukhona okuningi esingakwazi ukwenzakala behind closed doors, you know, but awumshiyi ngani umuntu bafethu than ukumthengela inkabi ukuthi azimbulale bese wena utholani ngoba nangu usuzoya ejele for the rest of your life if I'm not mistaken. So ezinye izinto bafethu a shame man, you guys. May he so rest in peace. Ngeke bafethu uthanda umuntu kona sometimes yazi ngathi kujike kube licala nje. I do not know, man. It's so sad. Mina ngeke ngimkhulumele ngithi ngoba umuntu esifazana usezudodo nje okubulela umuntu okuthandayo, umuntu okondlayo, umyeni indoda yakho. Like honestly speaking bafethu uyithengele inkabi uthi hamba niyombulala for ini? Uma ungasafuni phuma lapho shiya buyela ngakini. Case closed. Do you have to unalive someone? Hayi man, suka man. This is so sad, man. And on the videos that I was seeing on another channel, ube scream angazi that was the time eboshwa ngamaphoyisa mhlambe, or that was the time of the angazi kufika umzimba. She was screaming like, I'm like, girl, why are you crying like that? Because you know exactly was kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani. So why all that crying bafethu? Hayi ngeke man. Abafazi nathi sometimes. But anyways, thank you so much ukuthi ubuke video, like, subscribe, share ke mtakaba. Seke nenhliziyo ezimbi inkosi yami. Sazi ukuthenga inkabi singabo mama sesikwazi ukuthenga inkabi. No man, stop it. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. Like, subscribe, share, spin this video. Bye.